Hi everyone. Last lecture you will see about objective of Drug Price Control Order 1987, and also you will see the definition of this act. This act revised in 2013. Now, objective of this act to regulate an equal distribution of drug and to make the drugs available at fair price from different manufacturers, to fix the maximum retail price of this formulation and to the fix maximum sale price of the bulk drug in order to avoid the huge profitability in the drug manufacturing and distribution. In that you will see the definitions of bulk drug, selling price, wholesaler, distributor, dealer and formulation. Now today we will discuss about remaining definition. In that first, free reserve. Reserve, it means the reserve created by the appropriation of the profit but does not include reserve provided for continued dispute, claim, goodwill, a revolution and the other similar reserves. So it gives the reserve created by the appropriate of profit but does not include a reserve provided for continued dispute, claim, goodwill, pay, a revolution and other similar reserves. Then net worth, it means the paid up and share capital of a company plus free reserve, if any, and a surplus excluding outside investment which are not readily available for operational activity. Net worth is it gives the paid up of share capital of a company. Then pre-tax returns. It means a profit before payment of income tax and surtax and includes such other expense as do not for part of this cost of formulation. Pre-tax return, it gives the profit before payment of a income tax and surtax and it includes such other expense as do not form part of those cost formulations. Then a retail price, it means the retail price of a drug arrive at a fix in accordance with the provisions of the order and includes a selling price. Retail price, it gives the retail price of a drugs arrived at a fix and accordance with the provisions of this order and includes selling price. Then scheduled bulk drug, it means a bulk drug specified in first schedule. You know about all of the first schedule, so it gives the bulk drug specification of the first schedule. Then schedule formulation, it means a formulation containing any bulk drug specified in the first schedule, either individually or the combination with other drugs. It includes one or more than one drug or drug not specified in first schedule, except single ingredient formulation based on bulk drug. It specified in first schedule and sold under the generic name. Generic name, it will be listed in schedule W. So, schedule formulation, it means the formulation containing any bulk drug specified in first schedule, but either individually or combination with the other drugs. It includes one or more than one drugs or drugs not specified in first schedule, but except single ingredient formulation based on bulk drug specified in first schedule and sold under the generic name. Then last definition, cell return over. It means the product of the unit of a formulation sold by the manufacturer or an importer, as the case may be. It in an accounting year multiply a retail price exclusive and sell tracks, if any, paid or direct sale by the manufacturer or importer but does not include excise duty and local taxes, if any. Sell turnover, it will be product of unit of a formulation sold by the manufacturer or importer. Then next point, there is a drug price display rule 1961 and other relevant orders. Display of price. Every manufacturer, importer, or the distributor of a formulation intended for the sale and shall be displayed on the label of a container. The retail price of a formulation with the word retail price not be exceed, uh, uh, preceding it and local taxes extra succeeding it. For non scheduled formulation, the manufacturer, importer, and distributor shall be displayed on the label of a container of the formulation with the word maximum retail price and proceeding it at the inclusive all taxes in succeeding it. Then next, every manufacturer, importer, the display of price list for distributor or importer shall issue a price list and supplementary price list to be the dealer, state drug controller and government in Form 5. Every retailer or dealer shall display the price list and supplementary price list on the part of the premises of the business. So it is for today's lecture. Next lecture you will see the remaining part of this act, in that applicability of a imported drug and indigenous manufactured drugs. Now today you will discuss about the free reserve. Free reserve, it means the reserve created by the appropriation of the profit but does not include a reserve provided for the containing dispute, claim, goodwill, revolution and other similar reserve. Net worth means a paid up share capital. Then pre-tax return, it means the profit before payment and income tax, the tax and includes such drugs other expense. Then retail price, it means the retail price of the drug arrived from the fixed in accordance with the provision of the order. Then scheduled bulk drug, it means the bulk drug specified in first schedule. Then scheduled formulation, it means the formulation containing any bulk drug specified in first schedule, either individually or combination with the other drug, including one or more than one drug or drug not be specified in first schedule. Then sale turnover, it means the product of a unit of a formulation sold by the manufacturer or importer. Then display of price, every manufacturer, importer or distributor of a formulation intended for the sale or shall be displayed the label of container in that formulation with the word retail price not be exceed and proceeding it and local taxes extra succeeding it. And for non-scheduled formulation, the manufacturer, importer or distributor shall be display the label container or the formulation with the word maximum retail price and proceeding it add to the word inclusive of the all taxes and succeeding it. Then last, display of the price in the drug price display rule 1961 and other equivalent. In display of a price list, every manufacturer, importer or distributors shall issue a price list and supplementary price list or the dealer, state drug controller and government in the form number 5. And every retailer or the dealer shall display the price list and supplementary price list on the part of the premises of the business. So it is for today's lecture. Next lecture you will discuss about the remaining part of this act. Thank you.